Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix too many concurrent requests in ChatGPT. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So you might be in a situation where you're getting this little type of pop-up inside of ChatGPT that tells you that there's too many concurrent requests that are happening at the exact same time. Now, if you're getting this type of error, the very first thing to understand is that it can be a little bit of a glitch here and there. The first thing you probably want to do, though, is you might just want to go through and just make sure that within your particular ChatGPT instance, you're not going through and sending multiple different prompts at the same time. Sometimes if you're going through and you're sending like 2, 3, 4, 5 different prompts at the same time, like if you're saying it to do this, and then you're telling it to do this, and then this, and this, and this, well, that can cause some sort of issues within ChatGPT, and it might just glitch up here and there. So that's kind of the first thing to do. See how many prompts you're asking for, and just make sure you're only asking it for like one thing at a time. You can also go through and wait just a few seconds, like 10 to 15 seconds in between prompts, and that very well might also end up fixing the problem here as well. That could be another thing you can do. Another thing you can do on top of this is to just go through and refresh ChatGPT. So what this basically means is that you just close out of the ChatGPT application like this, give it a few moments, and then go ahead and open up ChatGPT again like this. And that could be another thing you can try doing here as well. So try hopping right into here, refresh ChatGPT, and that's another thing I recommend doing here as well. You can also try going through and logging in and out of ChatGPT. So just log out of ChatGPT, log back in, that might end up fixing it. And if none of those things work, you can maybe also try switching over to a different browser, or maybe try seeing if ChatGPT is down. So those are kind of the main ways to go into it. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix too many concurrent requests in ChatGPT. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.